Hi, it's a Sunday and we had a trip to IKEA this morning with the family, which usually I like because they've got a play centre called Small Land where you can put your kids for an hour, they get to be entertained in a kid's way and the grown-ups get to go and do IKEA kid-friendly. Anyway, today the queue to get in was so long, to get them into this Small Land was so long. And part of the reason is that we're nearly at the end of 2019 and the system that they use to get your kids in to look after them for this 1 hour is still paper-based. They have not migrated to using technology to register kids. So anyway, we wait in the queue because it's worth it, the kids love it, we love it. And we get to the front and then they go to find our forms and they can't find them. And they said, you don't have any forms here. We've been to IKEA many, many times this year with those same forms. Now they want us to repeat, fill them out. So 2 forms, 2 kids. What a nightmare. And in the meantime, the queue's just getting longer. This is crazy. So in the end, we said, forget it. We've already been waiting half an hour and we just took the kids and did IKEA with the kids, which quite frankly, we won't ever be doing again. But in today's world, we are at the end of 2018. To have a system that is still paper-based and still so archaic and has really made the experience of going to IKEA not nearly as pleasant as it normally is. By the way, I love IKEA, love, love, love. But what it made me do is really reflect on what systems do you have in place that you're potentially still doing manually or haven't upgraded the technology or upgraded to technology that are causing a bit of frustration or making something take longer than it should or making the experience for the client just not as enjoyable as it could be. And if it is something that you can change, then change it. Because quite frankly, I've walked away with a little bit of a sour taste. I've had to try and bribe the kids now so that we could still get around IKEA and get what we needed. And it needn't be that way, not today when there's so much technology around. So really important, have a look through your business, look where some of the inefficiencies are that are still older or manual or paper-based, and where you can upgrade them. Don't put someone through what I just went through. Whatever you do with that, make it count.